Okay, what I have these boxes. They're called Carlin Manufacturer, and I bought these at Home Depot. Bought 24 of these critters, and I'm having a drastic problem with them. The tabs, where they're screwed in to the back, are breaking off. This one right here isn't broke off on this one, but most of them are broke. One or two tabs, or all the tabs are broke. They're screwed to a flat surface. This is a 6x6. These bunches are 6x6x6. So I got electronics in here. Got power supply, a computer board, and some other stuff. And now they're breaking off. They've only been up here for less than a month on the post. I bought these things about almost 3 months ago, but it's only been mounted for a month. We're going to go through each one and show the ones I got problems and what I have the problem as of yet. This one right here seems to be okay. This is box number 1. So these here are computerized lights here, and then on the front it's a glow stick. They're all LEDs computerized. So I have control of each one of my posts. And I got 1,000 foot of road frontage that these control. So this is my first one. Now we're going to go to box number 2. Okay, on box number 2, the top one on the right hand side is already broke off. And the bottom one's attached, so I got one that's broken here. Okay, box number 3. This one's cracked on here on the bottom. The other ones seem to be okay. So I got one broke on that one already. Box number 4, and they seem to be all intact. There's box number 5. These seems like they're all intact. There's box 6. On this one, it looks like you got a crack down the side of that one. So it looks like it's ready to break off. This is box number 7. Right at the top of both of these, you can see it's already cracked. You can see where they're cracked. You can see that white mark right there at the joint of both of these where it's breaking loose from the plastic already. So there's stress on it. Actually, it looks okay on this one. So it looks like box number 8. And all of our build that we did here, and we're in the process, see, we used all the products from Home Depot. As you can see, the PVC pipe, the other junction boxes. This here is going for cameras. That's what this is going for. This is box number 9, and right now the bottom 2, right here at the bottom. So look at that, not even attached, totally snapped off. So that one's all broke. The top 2, it looks like a crack started on the top already. This is a flat post, you know, so you should be able to screw those things on the tabs nice and tight. It shouldn't break off. Box number 10, the top tab is totally broke off. The bottom tabs, only the top tab right here, you can see where it's cracked. Right here at this joint. So it's broke all the way completely across. This is box 11. And at the moment I don't see any problem on that one. It looks like they're all attached. Okay, this is box 12. You can already see it's broke right here at the top. Right there. That's totally broke. The bottom 2 are totally broke. Look at that. They're not even physically attached. So 3 out of 4 are totally broke. Okay, this is box 13. The top 2 is totally broke off. They're not even together. The bottom are still attached, but the top ones are totally broke off. This is box 14. And they're still physically attached. This one's okay. Okay, this one's physically okay too. Box number 17. It looks like stress crack right here at the top of this one. And this one started. You can see where it's turning white. So it's slowly breaking off here. Okay, this is number 18. And I don't see any problems here. I see a little white right there at the seam, but not much. It looks like it's okay. This one's box 19. And it seems to be attached, but you can see that right here they got a white mark on both tabs on the top again. Where it's got stress on it, where it is breaking slowly. Okay, number 20. Still looks like it's intact. Okay, here's box 21. The two on the top here is totally broke off. Right here. The ones on the bottom are still attached. That's all the boxes that we have up on the fence. I did buy 24 of these things from Home Depot. They're about $16.50 a piece, so they wasn't cheap at all. And I shouldn't even use the tabs because they're not strong enough. They're too weak. So I'm just going to put 2 screws inside the boxes, which is going to be next on this video. So for 2 to 3 weeks out in the Florida sun, and today is really chilly. It's only about 65 degrees. It feels like winter time to me. And so that's where everything's setting at the moment. So I wouldn't recommend using the tabs of those boxes. The boxes seem to be okay. I like the way the seals are on the front panels. But the only way you can attach them is drill physical holes in them and put your own screws in it, because the brackets are too weak to hold any stress at all. Okay, we're going to take this box apart. As you can see, the hinge right there is cracked. Not the hinge, the holder's cracked. On the bottom side, if you can see it, it's broke. And this side, yeah, that one's still attached. Okay. So what we got to do, we got to modify every box I got, which I have 21 of these particular boxes, and they're all broke. So first thing we got to do is open it up, which I already have it unscrewed, ready to go. Show you what's in it. And here's what's in the box. Now the problem is I gotta hold this box against the back. So that means I gotta take everything out of here. So I gotta take the whole computer, the power supply out. At least this one's long enough for me to drop down. At least this one's long enough for me to drop down. Now what we have to do is go into here and drill 2 holes and put screws in the back of this thing, because already some of these boxes, the brackets, all 4 already broke off. So we already know we're going to have a major disaster. Now I'm going to end up taking this box and drilling holes in the back, so now I'm making more possible for water damage because I'm doing this, because of the poor quality of their boxes. So the first thing I have to do is get the drill and drill 2 holes in the back of the box. Now we did that. I only have 1 good battery, so. Now what we're going to use We're going to use these wood screws. It's got the neoprene rubber on it to try to block out any leaks that I'm going to have from doing this stunt, because the holders are breaking off. And these here are made for metal roofs, so it's galvanized with the neoprene. Should last, well, inside that box, probably forever. So I just screwed that box in, and I overkill everything, so that means I put screws all over. Okay, so they're both snug, and that means that I got to tear apart all of these boxes, which I bought 21 of these from Home Depot, so I got to redo them all. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. When you get a chance, if you would please subscribe to my channel, that would help us out. Thank you.